Nga ḽa 22 ḽa ṅwedzi wa ḽara mahoḽa ḽa Afrika Tshipembe ḽo vuswa nga fhungo ḽa u ṱangulwa tshiṱitshi tsha mapholisa. Mapholisa vho mbo ḓi ṱangulwa zwigidi zwa mushumo, zwigidi zwihulwane zwe zwa vha zwi sefoni na masheleni a sina vhukono. U bva afho mahokoko o mbo ḓi dzhena kha fulo ḽa u ṱangula mabindu a tshivhalo u mona na vhupo uho.
We stormed the community service center and robbed 5 of our members, their pistols, their firearms that were in their possessions. And they further opened the safe and took the R5 and also took some shotguns and a number of ammunition that they get away with. Over and above that, they also took 16,000 petty cash that it's actually collected on bail and other prisoners' property money that was kept at the community service center. The suspect then proceeded to rob the nearby garages, including the Kentucky in the nearby complex. And on the same day, we collected 9 solid cases that were committed on that particular day.
Vhathu vhavhili vho ita na u thuntshwa vha lovha nga tshifhinga tsha u ṱangulwa mabindu ayo.
I was having sleepless night with my management because I was definitely sure that not very long I will have casualties on my members. These thugs, as they were operating, they were shooting randomly at any vehicle. And the police vehicle were not immune from that particular process.
Uya nga Mapholisa Vhahumbulelwa vhafumi vha kwamea kha milandu iyo ya u ṱangula, fhedzi ho farwa vhafumi vunduni ḽa Limpopo na Mpumalanga.
We have recovered the firearms of Malamulele from these thugs. We arrested 10 of them and we are still looking at others as their associates.
Vhahumbulelwa avo vha khou ḓo ḓivhonadza khothe dza madzhisiṱaraṱa dzo fhambananaho matshelo.